Hello everyone, I'm Christine Arcamo. In this video, I would like to share to you about how to download the Cisco Packet Tracer. The first step to download the Cisco Tracer packet is to first open your browser. So I use my Google Chrome browser. The next is type the website of the netacad.com. The next is this is the browser of the netacad.com. So here, scroll down, then you can see the packet tracer. This one is a PT. So just click this, and then we'll wait. And then this is the result, as you can see in my screen. So this is, you may go to down, scroll down, and then click this learn more. And this is the, as you can see in this page, you can see the how to use the packet tracer. So there is the instruction and the introduction. Then there is why we use this packet tracer. So here is the length is 10 hours. Then it is the cost of this packet tracer is for free. So we will not need to buy it. And then it's for easy to use. And then the learning type is one self-paced. And then the language used is, there's a different language you can select, but I use the English language. And then this sign up today. So just click this to sign up, and then I use the English language. Then we will wait. Then in this page, you can see that there is an introduction to packet tracer. So this is how we to sign up so that we can get to download of this packet tracer. As you can see on this screen, there's to fill up the form. So select one. So I use my country, Philippines. So this, and then my birthday, so October, then year, then after we choose on this fill up form, so we click this next account details. So to proceed the sign up, so that we can download the Cisco packet tracer. So just type my email address, and then my first name, then Philippines, then here is the last name, then select, so Philippines. So region 7 is where I belong in this Philippines. So I choose Central Visayas. That's it. So just fill up all this in all these forms, so that you can proceed and you can download it, the packet tracer. So after I fill up all the details here in this page, so we proceed to create account. So just click this button, and then we will wait. So that's it. So there is a proof that we are successful to enroll in this free Cisco Packet Tracer. After all, I fill up the form on the previous page. So this is the result of, as you can see on this screen, you can see the download Cisco Packet Tracer. So just go scroll down, and then you, in this section you can see the download, and then there's a set of instruction here, and then how will compatible to your PC or laptop. So I just click the 64-bit, and then after this there's a loading part in below of my screen. So I just wait to successful it download. So I just wait, and it will be successful to download it in my laptop. Then next, after the installer that successfully downloaded on my laptop, so I just open it. So I just to install the packet tracer in my laptop. So after I open the installer in my laptop, just I downloaded from the browser. So I just follow all the instruction, and then just click here, I accept the agreement, and just click the next. Just follow all the instruction here to successfully download in my laptop. So I click the install, and then we'll wait the progressive of my installing. So we will wait to successful it. So in a few minutes, it will be successfully downloaded. So we'll be patient to wait it. So there, it's already finished, successfully downloaded the Cisco Packet Tracer on my laptop. So just click this finish, and this is the Cisco Packet Tracer application that I installed in my laptop. So this is the inside of the application, and this is the end of my video about the steps of how to download the Cisco Packet Tracer. Thank you.